Okay, you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account. Usually this is just by signing into Gmail. Then go ahead and search for your business. We've done the Pegasus Ventures Scranton office here. And then you see the 3 reviews. So just click on the 3 reviews in the black circle. In the reviews, we want to go to the lowest reviews, the 1 stars. Have a look at them and hit the little flag. So you're flagging that as inappropriate, and then you're going to say whatever it is, in this case, not relevant to this place. And you do that for any 1-star review that you believe to be unfair, offensive, inappropriate, malevolent, or whatever. If you watch your Gmail account in the Updates tab, you'll see a notice from Google My Business that they have received your removal request. In my experience, it takes an hour or so to get the removal request email, and then it takes a few more hours to get the email telling you whether or not the review has been removed. The other thing I've noticed is that if you ask for Google to remove a review after they have assessed it, they simply will not respond at all.